Khojai district pen Karbi Anglong ahoy langkaijan along Kathalia side Kepatupon 2. Dena rong pachuak lamalong hiniang neng Karbi rong asaramai misen pen Kepachun. Pining mitri ki PRS utumpreng kupli alang along langjang chok. Karom ada bertang pen libertad han bang thare harmony bet ne bertang pen arjik tha. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen pate pi ponsi land and revenue forest police lepen CRPF atum pen langkaijan along there po narkep arni pale dam pen aron re pen Karbi Anglong along le nang ke pet atum aphan katharle dam thua birta pherang ke pen card news asa hemalong birta nang pale Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang Kaping Khan ateng pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Secretary Michael Timung Land and Revenue Officer Turun Ingti Phuluni Circle Dihu Revenue Circle Officer ADC Norsing Bay SP Gorab Upadaya Lapen DSP atum Chirabdun Si Langkaijan Ambari along Longle Katharle asai Kedengji aphan palidamlo Bon seteme hadak ke dwara tumpen towar karang kha check pen alang litum Khojai District Administrative Lapen Karbi Anglong Administrative atum angbong ahoy selam pame metike ambari along Katharle asai dengnong le pusik ke hang padu
ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা আমি এইখন জেগা পিছফালে ৰখি আছোঁ যাতে আমাৰ সদায় আমাৰখন ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভ আহে আৰু যোনবোৰ কথা হিমালয় যাতে আলোচনা কৰিব পৰা যায় হঠাতে ঠিক সিহঁতে আহি পাওঁতে হঠাতে কোনোবা পাব্লিক ফালৰ পৰা না কোনোবা পৰা উচতাই দিছে গতিকে সেই সময়ত অলপমান সময়ৰ কাৰণে অলপমান অশৃংখল নিচিনা যেতিয়া সেই ঘটনাটো ঘটিল কিন্তু আমি বোলে চব খেদক বোলে তেনেকৈতো আমি এবাৰ নিৰ্দেশটো দিয়া নাই খালি সেই সময়ত যেতিয়া সজাই প্ৰশাসন আহি আছিলে সেই ৰাস্তা ক্লিয়াৰ কৰোঁতে সেইখিনি ফালৰ পৰাও কিছুমান আমি দেখি পাইছিলোঁ CPMF ফ'ৰ্চ আহিছিলে সিহঁতে আৰু সেই ৰাস্তাটো ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি আহিছে যিহেতু ৰাস্তাও বন্ধ কৰি থৈ দিছে যাতে আমাৰ বিষয়া সজাইৰ পৰা বিষয়া আমালৈ আহিব পাৰে সেইকাৰণে ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সিহঁতে অলপমান এইফালে যাবৰ কাৰণে কৈছিলে আৰু সেই ঘটনাটো হঠাতে হৈছে সেইখনটো আৰু কিবা এটা বোলে কথা
এতিয়া মানে আলোচনা এটা হৈছে
আমাৰ ৰেভিনিউ অথৰিটি যিহেতু আমাৰ ৰেভিনিউ লেণ্ড হয় গতিকে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং ৰেভিনিউ অথৰিটি আৰু আমাৰ সজাইৰ ৰেভিনিউ অথৰিটি দুটা পাৰ্টিয়ে সিহঁতে কথা পাতিছে আৰু সেই কথাটো সিহঁতে আলোচনা কৰিছে আৰু সিহঁতৰ ভিতৰত সিহঁতে কিছুমান সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছে তেতিয়া সেই সিদ্ধান্তৰ মৰ্মে সিহঁতে দুটা এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন ষ্টেপছটো ল'ব
Lapen hala Khojai District Administration pen Karbi Anglong Administrative atum Kangtum dun akhut hadak ke dwara tum towar kape sesak dun ajok police CRPF atum aning ke pumpen aron re pen ke do towar karang kha atum aphan kiplung padu lasofi administration atum angbong kachim kita kache tonte et ajok ambari along abangke tharle long derlo Sitame Lapu Langkaijan Civil Bazar along abangke tharle pondo bon sitame apor kadure ajok Civil Bazar along ta katharle patanglong le bon sitame apor kadure ajok Civil Bazar along ta katharle patang long ba me medelo Denarong pathok lamalong there ri phain narkep ani hini yang deng Karbi ronga sara mai mesen exam jin pen kapajut pon abirta pheran ke pen card news asa hemanong birta nang pale Hini yang deng Karbi ronga sara mai denarong pathok lamalong mesen pen kapajun nini ya bhake paman pen amai pi kijut arni rat amai pita padopon Dhuram Singh Teron pen kachari pon amai long Kachopha alhui aman pen KCS amai phu Chandra Singh Kro Karbi Richo Ram Singh Rongham KLA amai phu Suren Kramsa KL NLF Akonchun bang thong teron Karbi Luchari asong pen Simeon Rongphar Karbi Kup ho amai phu Suren Hansi 24 plus organization pen Roton Terang United Karbi Student Association Atun Pen Chenglok Ongdung Aman Kedo Abang Putum Chetong Dunsi My RDP Dun
Lamet lam jong seri tu de kredi TV ro. Zila bangso jutan jubat la pen lamet lam jong a TV kulo tan de la kerong jukin rong asap dia tun halo.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hang Therepo Narkep Arni BJP Mohila Morcha Pen Dipu Joysing Dulu Auditorium Hall along Kepadu Sumindar Soarlo Arani Katalon along Chetong Dunsi Soarlo Phan Inghoi Phokep Kerai along Chetong Dun Pusi Ningje
BJP Mohila Morcha Penta Therepo Nerkeparni Difu Joysing Doloi Auditorium Hall along Somindar Soarlo Arni Talondun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ACM Tuliram Rong Hang Alang Lita Soarlo Phan Kepathea Mai Pi along Chetong Dunsi Difu along Kuti Asia Tangka Pen Women Hostel Kimji Pusi Lamjir along Jaisi Soarlo Phan Phan Phokep Inghoi Kerai Kom along Chetong Dun Pusi Ningje Monita Kayalong Pinso Panchot Kali Soarlo Phanta Manpeng Kipikenang Sot Puta CM Rong Hangasangho Ningjetu Non Hejong Dehradun along Kepado National Master Games along Serup Anonge Kelongdun Kacheteron Pi Pokhila Inti Pi Nirmola Terang Pi Sampri Terang Pi Atonga Phanta Karcho Asai Dengpon
Nan malam support han berita mo ton tonik sena
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now, the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now, this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose. But in the polling station, this control unit is kept with the presiding officer. And these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment. So that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now, what happens is once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now, how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it, simultaneously, we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds. And simultaneously, there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice. Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent requests a returning officer under section 56D for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked, and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible. Right.
Uff, ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nanya na cusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan mau mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, no alam tar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Difo ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pensoar lo tu kapamata dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo ke chengsi sopin so la pensoar lo phat kapamata dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada hair straightening 40% off along hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit Aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok, Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji.
Dihinamu piputat birtalo wangtulun. Aning kanwang ason thotsi pinning le thotta hamren hitikimi multi utility building athengno along hamren muhila samiti lapen BJP hamren town muhila morcha chelangpet pen international women day ketalon dona birta pherangki hondok kropen birta nangpale
adab lama kang thurpen si jaimek pangcheng ponlo la sopi ason ki pathu kilun ki kan ka chipate hai huita padopon thu ani kang sam porphai hini apor malompen rat amai pita padopon Hamren Town Mondor Mahila Morcha Amai Pisang Pisopriya ing Hipi Pen Mai Kachipa Hempu Pon Mai Long EM Rup Singh Teron Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen Chitong Dun Mai Long BJP West Karbi Anglong District Amai Pu Arun Terang Purnu Ronghang Hamren Town Committee Dun Mai Pu Hetsing Rongphar Socheng VDC Amai Pu Roman Pator Pen Danglok Ongdung Ki Theke Ding Atun Chitong Dun
Hojai pen tumpreng a park along nangajui arisu kopli alang roy along jangchok pusini toma pherang ke kajnu salong birta nangpale pining mitrike top arisu bangtroksi hojai pen tumpreng park along nangpalelu alang litum tumpreng park lang era phi kopli adolong arom along jilpo bangtroksi langchung jamlu bonta bangtroksi angbong pining mitrik kipi rahul depu arisu lang jangchonglu afi hojai pen SDRF altum kopli alang roy along Kiri Padipri Mapi Rahul Deb Aphan Achithe Kawe Arpu Theglong si Kisunga Hema Soraphan Than Pachini
দুবা নাই রাতিপুৱা ইতে 10টা বজাত আহি বোলে কৈছে যে নই তাতে শিববাৰে একটা পার্ক আছে এটা ইয়াতে বোলে ফটো উঠাব আহিছে মই ফোন কৰিছিলো ইয়াতে আহি বোলে পার্কত ফটো চটো মাৰিছে নেকি 7জন ল'ৰা আহিছিলে এজন 3জন পৰিছিলে নেকি এজন কৰি বোলে উঠাব তাৰ পাছতে ইয়ে পৰি গ'ল
কেইজন আহিছিলে
7জন আহিছে
নামটো চাইছিলে
মই নাজানো নহয়
আপোনাৰ ল'ৰাটোৰ নাম
ৰাহুল দে
পঢ়া শুনা কৰি আছিল
এইবাৰ মেট্ৰিক
গম পাইছে আপুনি কি বুলি জানে
ইহঁতে ঘৰৰ পৰা কোনো গাৰ্জেনো নাজানে ক'ত কেনেকৈ গ'ল কৈছে মামাৰ বাৰীত যাব এনেকৈ কৈ আহিছে তো আমিও এতিয়া দোকানদাৰী কৰি আছোঁ খবৰ পালোঁ আহিছোঁ আহি কৈছে যে এই মানুহ কেইজনমান বোলে বচাইছে 3জনমান নামিছে বাকীকেইটা বচাব বিচাৰিছিলে 2জনক সকামিছে এজন তলত গ'ল
কেইজন আহিছিলে
6জন নেকি নাজানো 7জন আহিছে এজন গ'ল এই
কিমান দূৰ ডুবি গৈছিলে
অলপ গৈছে কিন্তু পানী কিমান পানী ইহঁতেতো পুখুৰীতো নামা নাই আজিলৈকে কিন্তু অলপ পানী ইহঁতে গম নাপায় ন ইমান পানীটো বহুত পৰিষ্কাৰ পানীৰ তলত গুচি গ'ল আৰু এই ফালৰ পৰা এটা মানুহ আহি চিঞৰি বচাইছে
মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষা
এই মাত্ৰ এই মেট্ৰিক এইবাৰ দিছে 2 দিন হ'ল গাঁও ধোপুৰ ধনিৰাম পথাৰ
Ada berita bang lepas kang komponi la dumi thang me kurang tu